What's up, guys? It's been quite some time since I covered some camping gear, so here we are with some camping gear gadgets, tiny little gadgets, very cheap to buy and unique enough to use. So let's start with something, not this one. Okay, now that we have it open, let's try with it. It is made of plastic, don't get fooled by it. It is a pen, and it is keyring, and it is a nail cutter, right? Yes. So like this, let's try cutting something. Yeah, so looks shiny, some part are metal, like this one is metal, this one is metal with plastic cover, right? Underneath there is a metal, and you can close it like this. And if you need a pen, one thing unique is, look at it, it is the pin or nib is not out there. When you open it up, the nib comes out. Isn't it unique? See? Yeah. See, that's so nice. So this is keyring, right? With pen and nail cutter, both are, I think, unique scenarios. Let's try something actually. Let me get a paper or something. Let me test the pen itself. So let's see. Hello world. Yeah, it is actually quite a good one. It's very smooth. See? So, and I really like this design, the way it opens and the nib comes out. I like it. So I did not expect it to be liked, just something I thought was useful. Ordered online, it could very well have been not good at all. Next up is this one. Okay, how do I find that? Again, all of these are keyrings, by the way. These are keyrings just so we are aligned. And we have this another keyring. This one is a four-sided screwdriver, like four-sided. One is a four-sided screwdriver, metal. Another is a two-sided screwdriver, again metal. Good in length. You will just put them inside these and it will become a keyring for you. You can have them with you all the time. Whenever you need to open something up, unscrew something, you have them with you. So nice little keyring, right? This was the next one. Now you have a full keyring. What's next? Next one is this one. We have again another keyring, unique in its own design. It would be nice to just make this and this one keyring, so you have the full set. So why this one? Because it had this wrench, which I really liked. It's so tiny and so nice. See? So you have this wrench, and it is full on wrench made of metal. Don't like brush it aside. See? Then you have this level meter to check the level of any surface, right? If you can spot it. And it is also a measuring tape, right? How much long is it? So I have 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet. It's a 3 feet and some inches. After that, it's not going to go. I mean, unless I want to break it, it should not go. Zoom in, zoom out. There you go. And if I let it go, it automatically retracts. Isn't this nice? Let's make it 1 so that it becomes a good combination. Oh, this one is a little harder. So we have this one and one, and I think if I like put it and make it one, that would make it a better set instead of these two separate. So I'm going to switch these out and just put them inside this one. Let me do that. So that's when I'm giving it to someone, he is a full-on construction worker or mechanic, or I mean at least some kind of DIY repair person. What? Come on. Let's put the other one in as well. And that's it. Now we have a good keyring. If you're carrying something, you have a measuring tape, level meter, a wrench, 2 screwdrivers. Aren't you a pro now? The next thing, right? So we are done with these. The last one again, all camping stuff, all keyrings. Again another wrench, and it came separately, but it is actually supposed to be one ring keyring. So let's open it up. Okay, we have a wrench. This is whistle, the compass. And if you are a camper, you need to like understand how to use the compass, and you need the whistle in case you want to call for help. Let's try it. And it's a navy green or army green to match with the camping vibe. You have this buckle style belt in case I think you would hang it with something, and if something crosses that thread, you will get a notification that something is coming your way. And you have this buckle video, very nice, you can hang it anywhere. And you have this wrench, then you have all of these are metal, by the way, see, not plastic, metal. This is plastic, but good quality plastic. Let's make it one. So one keyring, this one. So in total we will at the end have 3 camping gear tag, 3 camping keyrings. And so this is the pro one. Let's add it here as well. And there you have it. You have compass, by the way, and is it working or not? It is working, right? Or not? Where is north? And if I change it, okay, it is working. I just need to like keep it stable and not do it like this. So if you do it like this, see, it is working. So you have the compass, you have the whistle, and not low quality, I mean it's a solid plastic. You have this, what should we call it, bell, wrench. And so this is the most pro set, then this one, and then this one. So 3 sets, all 3 of them very unique in their own ways. Let's open it up so that it becomes clear what they each are, right? And they are unique in their own way. And I think actually it was fun to share it with you guys. Now we have the full shot, right? Nice. Let me know what you thought of these camping keyrings. Take care of yourself. Bye.